Hi guys, ArchieLuxury channel, and today I've got a bit of a treat for you. This is some amazing footage leaving Brisbane Airport. So I'm on my way to Melbourne, and this is the footage. Now, it's very hard to get this footage. Firstly, you got to pick a good day. So probably the best time of day to do this is an early flight. This is a 6:55, just before 7 a.m. You got to make sure there's no clouds. You also have got to get a seat. Now, in this case here, I've been very, very kindly supplied with a business class ticket. So I've got a really fantastic seat without the annoying wing in the frame. So here we are. We're just taking off. This is Brisbane Airport. This is the domestic terminal. And we're just taking off now, and we're going to have a look at some fantastic. This is really quite amazing footage. I've done this many times, and you know, it's so hard to get decent footage of Brisbane or any major city, because the time you do have good weather, you're stuck in a fucking aisle seat. There we go, just going past. That's the international airport there, just as we leave the domestic. That's the international below there. And coming up, we can see Brisbane. So this is all near the airport. This is Pimpama area here. And look at that there. We can see all the suburbs to the north of Brisbane there, the north side. And we're going to be flying past the Brisbane CBD. Got some great, the CBD's just coming into focus now. There we go. All those skyscrapers there, that's the CBD, Brisbane CBD. And that's the famous Brisbane River, looking very blue today. Normally it's a brown sludgy colour, but looks very nice from the air. That's the Gateway Bridge, very famous tollway in Brisbane. And we're moving across here, and you can see out towards the Gold Coast, the Gold Coast. So very, very nice weather. It's a little bit, it's not foggy, a little bit misty, hazy might be the better term, but look at that, absolutely beautiful. Look at that, there's the suburbs of Brisbane there. This is going out to the Gold Coast. If you look in the top there, you can sort of, you're moving towards the Gold Coast there, but absolutely fantastic. Really, really interesting to get this footage. Very hard to get, because you know how it is. It's very hard to get this footage because when you're in an aisle, it's always Murphy's Law. But I think this is probably the best leaving Brisbane footage I've been able to achieve. So guys, enjoy it. You saw it on the ArchieLuxury channel. This is my hometown of Brisbane. Brisbane, overregulated, overtaxed. It's a fine city, Brisbane. Fine. Speed cameras, red light cameras, they will fine you. It's a beautiful place. We've got delusions of grandeur. We think of ourselves as a world city. Brisbane, Australia's latest world city. Just because they charge $70 for 2 hours of parking doesn't make you a fucking world city, Brisbane. That's for sure. Urban sprawl, there we go. That's the ugly urban sprawl. You can see it all. It's all happening there. Yes, it's a real estate developer's wet dream, isn't it? That's how it is, I suppose. There we go. I'm ArchieLuxury. This is a very rare look at Brisbane. Tell me what you guys think. What do you think of the footage? Like, subscribe, tell your fuckwit friends, and don't forget, put a few comments below. Tell me what you think of the footage, and all the nasty fuckers there, leave a few nasty comments. See you later. Okay.
Take my eyes on me, my thoughts on me just grow and grow and grow.
Hey guys, my name is Paul Pluter. I'm the method actor who plays Archibald Chesterfield III, AC3. Guys, I need a bit of help. I need a bit of help. It's very hard running a YouTube channel relying on Google Ads alone. I'm in a special niche and I speak my mind, and I don't have all those Seiko wannabes, all the people who want assurance about their affordable shitters. So I've got to really try hard to bring in the revenue. Guys, if you like my content, if you think I'm a great chap to have around, why don't you help me out? There's a number of ways you can help me out. This will keep me full-time on YouTube. Look in the description of this video for some ways you can help me. You could sponsor me on Patreon. That allows you to send a small monthly amount to me every month. It can be $1, it can be $100, whatever you can afford. The next way you can help me is, well guys, I really need some money to keep things going. Paid reviews. On the Paul Pluter channel, I run paid reviews. For as little as $20 US, I'll give you an opinion of your collection, of what you're looking at. I'll try and answer. There's heaps of other ways you can help me. I do telephone consultancy. For $50 US, I will talk to you on Skype or WhatsApp and answer your horological or personal problems. Any questions, I'll give it a go. Now guys, please help us out. Look down below, and if you could help us out, I will stay here and make videos full time on YouTube.